it going? It is hot in here today, as you can tell. I don't know if you can tell in the video, I am sweating. Literally just got in the car, sweating my tits off. So basically, a few of you boys wanted me to do a driving video. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go for a drive to Tesco because I need to get some beard dye and sort out this beard. And then that's me for the day, got nothing else to do. So I'll take you boys on a ride, let you listen to the car. Hopefully you can hear some induction sounds, things like that. Oh, she's alive, she's alive. Hopefully you can hear some induction sounds and just basically, yeah, just come along. I've never done one of these before. I don't know if it's going to fall off the window. If it does, I apologise again. This isn't the best holder. A little bit wobbly is all. Let me try and sort that out. Very wobbly. So I do apologise for that, but I will sort that in the future. Not gonna lie, don't know what I'm talking about on this video, but just come along for the drive, that's all really. So I'll take that off there actually. Suppose I can give you boys a talk on why I think you should get one of these cars. Ooh. She's been parked up for the week, so brakes off and stock on. Alright, I can hear a very weird noise. I hope that is not my fucking car. This Tesco because I don't really know this area very well, but I'll fucking wing it, I'll find it eventually. I don't know how wobbly this is going to be, as I said, so I do apologise because this car's quite stiff on the old suspension. That's not a speed bump, that's a fucking mountain. I'll give you guys a bit of a fucking blip up here, isn't it? Absolutely send it. Nah, I'm not. She's cold, let her warm up. Yeah, so some of you might be thinking about getting one of these Astra Gs. I recommend getting them, they are really good cars. Have some of that, yes. Yeah. She's quick. Now this fucking camera, boys, I'm not even joking. It's wobbling everywhere, I do apologise. If any of you can hear the turbo sound, hopefully you can. It sounds pretty good with this induction kit on. Courtney Sport induction kit, that's the one that's on it. I was talking about something I fucking forgot already. Slide your armrest. Yeah, so if you boys are looking to get one of these, I do, like I said, I recommend it. They're good cars, but quite dear to run. Get many miles per gallon on this. It says I'm averaging 50 at the minute, but we all know that's going to be bullshit. Probably cost me 20 quid just to go to this Tesco. Definitely need to get a better camera holder because this thing's shaking everywhere. Any of you boys are from from Somerset, give us a message. Go to car meets and things, because I haven't got a bloody clue where I am. I just drive around looking for places. Now I am concentrating, so just bear with me. I'm not like being ignorant to you boys. I am concentrating on the road. I really hope them turbo sounds come out on this video, because they sound fucking nice. Yeah, so a couple of weeks time I'll be getting the Cobra exhaust fitted. I'm having one of the cats taken away and the rest of the system. I'm taking away the back box, so hopefully, these cars, I heard these cars are quite quiet even with an exhaust system, so I thought that back box can go, and hopefully I'll get a bit of popping out of it as well. People say, oh, put overrun and that on it. No, I wouldn't recommend it for these VXRs, because they've got chocolate pistons. To be honest, I don't fancy paying $3.5 grand to have my engine forged. I'm pretty sure it's something around them lines. Fucking traffic's dreadful today. Every time I shift in this, lads, it sounds fucking awesome. Like, I wish, if you were in the car, you'd understand. I don't know how shaky this is going to be. It looks quite shaky, but fingers crossed, it doesn't look as bad when I look back through it. I'm trying to take my time as well. There's nothing round here, boys. Any of you live in Somerset, I'm sorry, but there's nothing here. It's just fucking fields, man. People take the piss out of Wales. My God. There's literally field after field here. It's a nice place, like, but just farming and fields. Average mile per gallon in this car, right? There we are. Oh, it says I'm averaging a miles per gallon of 31, which, to be honest, is not that bad. It doesn't fucking feel like that when you're fueling it up all the time, but yeah, that's what it's saying. Oh no, there's a different one here. Oh, I think they're two different trips. So in 341 mile, I'm averaging 29.7 mpgs, which still isn't that bad really, compared to some other cars. Guy's just like whipping his van around in front of me, fucking idiot. Some of these drivers, boys, fucking. Road rage. I'm going to try my best not to road rage in these videos, because I do road rage like really bad. If you think I swear on these videos, wait until you hear me road raging, because there are just some bloody idiots. This car as well, it's comfy, like. I don't know why the camera's bouncing around everywhere, because it's not even a bumpy ride in it, but it must be the fucking thing I'm using. Any of you boys recommend a good phone holder, the one that doesn't vibrate and wobble around everywhere? That would be handy, because I'm not even at any holes here, it's just, you can see it wobbling around. Drop it down a few gears. This thing again, he's trying to overtake me. Not a chance. Goodbye. That's the best bit about having a fast car. People think they can overtake you, and you just say goodbye. Obviously, I'm saying goodbye to McLarens and things like that because I'm in a fucking Astra. I don't even know where I'm going. I'm going to wing it and go this way. Right, straight over. I know the area a little bit. I have been around here a few times, but I'm not 100% sure where Tesco is. Have you heard that, lads? Listen to that. That's my clutch pedal. That needs fucking some little Mini Cooper there. Worst car ever. I've never owned a Mini Cooper in my life. No offence if any of you have got one, but I've had a few mates who've had them, and all I hear is that they break. Meant to break more than the Vauxhalls, but I find that hard to believe. But apparently they do. That's why I'll keep my distance. I couldn't imagine myself in a Mini anyway, lads. Fucking hell, imagine that. I've closed the windows to try and stop the wind noise, but I'm sorry, lads. It is fucking boiling in here. Like, my aircon's not working. I need to get that fixed. Another one of my many things to do. I don't think far away. I recognise this area. Oh, them turbo noises. Every time I get a turbo car, first thing I do, induction kit. It's got to be, because I just love listening to the sound of the fucking engine. Everyone there says to me, oh, like my family, why don't you just leave your car alone? Why don't you just not? No. I don't buy these cars to be standard. I buy them to make them look nice and make them fast. That's what being a car enthusiast is all about. Spending unnecessary money on your car. But we love it. That's what we're doing it, lads. I can't, I watch other people's YouTube videos and they're like looking at the camera while they're talking. That I can't fucking do that, me. I'm probably concentrating because I don't want to crash. If I crash my car, I'll be road raging. I don't have a fucking clue where I'm going. The exhaust is absolutely blowing from behind me. Listen to that. Sound like a wet fart, that. Right, anyway, where the fucking hell am I? Yeovil College. Listen to that, lads. I'd be embarrassed if my car sounded like that. I'm sending it, going straight down. Straight down. I don't know if this is the right way. Heading towards Dorchester, whatever the fucking hell that is. Town centre. Town centre, please. Looks like. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm gonna have to sat nav this Tesco because I haven't got a clue where I'm going. Right, I'm pulling over, lads. I'm going to put the sat nav on. I ain't a clue where I'm going. Ain't a clue. Right, boys. I found Tesco. I hate this place. I'm not even lying. It's fucking so awkward to find anything. I had to stop in some random city centre and I asked some old couple where Tesco is. I'm not even joking, it was in the street next to me. But I'm here, so I'm gonna go in, grab my hair dye. Not my hair dye, my beard dye. I'm not grey yet. Yeah, I've got to dye this ginger beard, so back in a minute when I've got the hair dye. Alright boys, so I've been in Tesco, got me fucking beard dye. Gone for a dark brown black, hopefully that takes away my ginger, should do. Of course, I look after the beard. Got the beard, face and hair wash. And then I got the Bulldog beard oil. Now, you gotta look after yourself when you boys. Recently single on the market, I gotta look after myself. And then trim down the fucking beard. So that's that. Now, I was going to record driving home, but there's not really any point because you see me drive. So I'm going to leave the video there, lads. I'll do another one of these videos when I get the exhaust on, so you can hear the exhaust sound, and then just keep doing videos of everything really. At the minute I'm not home, I'm in work, so I can't really do much to the car while I'm in work because I don't have tools here with me. So I might be going home this weekend, so maybe I might do something. Good news, got some good news actually. I was having problems getting my Corsa sent back, that's done. Phone call today, it's been accepted, I'm no longer liable for the car and I'm getting money back, so I'm absolutely buzzing, over the moon about that. So that's some first good news I've had in a while. So some money means I can buy something nice for the car. Don't know what I'm going to buy yet, but splitter kit maybe. I want to start doing some exterior stuff because I've done a bit to the engine and I can't be arsed doing any more at the minute. Oh, boys, it's hot today. Jesus. Right, so I'll wrap it up there. Just smash that like button, lads. Just help me grow, basically. These are nice boys. Look at these VXR eBay special. Nice though. Do job. Right, gonna leave it there, boys. Fucking chatting on shit. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one, lads. See you later.